What's up, YouTube fam that I don't have?
Sorry.
That's my friend Zoe. How are you? Are you doing good? Good. Good. How's your cat? Okay. Alright. Good morning, YouTube. It is exactly...
You'd have to go to like a hospital after that. That's horrible.
We are doing the... well, I guess I should do introduction. My name's Whitney.
I'm Zoe. Sorry.
This is my YouTube channel, Zoe. Today we're doing the Fart SoundBoard Challenge. And we're young and innocent and available. And so we can't drink, but we can do soy sauce. So, are you familiar with the Fart SoundBoard Challenge?
I am familiar.
Would you like to tell our one viewer? I subscribe to myself.
Would I? Oh, wait.
She's incompetent.
I am.
All right. So what the fart SoundBoard Challenge is, you pick a fart and you give the other person a name, and if they laugh at the name or the fart, they have to do a spoonful, half a spoonful shot of soy sauce.
Yeah, I wouldn't say a spoon. I'd say
half a
Good
spoonful.
half. That's salty. We're gonna get.
I'm already salty. Okay, so I will be starting off because this is my channel.
This is.
This one I'm choosing is called Dale Earnfart. Earnfart.
It's your face that makes it so funny.
All right.
Oh my god.
You can laugh at your own farts. It's just they can't laugh at the farts they pick up.
I'm just gonna try spitballing here. Some morning dew. Some morning dew. Okay.
It's your fault. Is this sanitary? Is this expired?
No, it shouldn't be. No, we've just reused this thing. Yeah.
I was like wondering why it wasn't coming out.
Because. Ooh, yeah.
This is dangerous. I'm doing this for you, YouTube. You should get a bucket on standby.
A bucket?
In case one of us
throw up.
spews.
I'll be alright.
That was so...
Okay. It's probably horrible. Tabasco sauce and soy sauce. Your face is horrible.
Tastes like
Fruity.
ass. Ugh. This one's called Old Sparky. You know, Old Sparky, not when he's going back and he's just Old Sparky.
What are you saying? That sounds like it hurts.
Okay, your turn.
Okay, let's go with. We would like a Jurassic fart. Ow, I hate that word. Right? No. Yes.
I don't even know if you heard that.
That was. That's just sad. I apologize for making that decision.
This one's called Skid Marks.
Bring it on. That was a lot worse than Do it again.
That left more than skid marks.
That's like... Is this sanitary or off the same spoon? Probably not.
I brush my teeth twice a day, every day. I floss. I'm gonna go get some more water.
Okay. Should I wait?
No, just go.
Oh, I can smell it. Actually, Jay Wizzle sent you a message. Okay.
It's okay.
Okay, ready? 1, 2. 1, 2.
Fun.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay.
Whoa!
That is so salty. That is so salty.
Just like your attitude.
Oh. It's not too bad.
Drink water.
It's not too bad.
Ew, I left a little bit on the rim. Okay. It's your turn. No, it's okay. Since it's 1-1, we're going to do like a lightning round. So I'm just going to keep playing them, and whoever laughs first.
Okay. That one was the worst.
This one's called Anus Madness. I won!
That got... Oh, it's still going. Those are the worst.
You've had one of these before?
What? No, just like listening to...
Alright, I'm going to stop it. I won.
I don't want to.
Hey, I won.
Tastes bad.
I won.
Our
Seductive dancing.
Our stomachs are gonna be messed up, but that's okay.
Just like our brains. You're really dedicated to this.
Because I'm a loser.
Here, I'm gonna bring it all the way.
I must punish myself because I'm a loser.
Go for it, dude.
Okay, wait. I gotta get firmly grasped.
I'm gonna put this on. Put this back. Cause... Zoe. Ew.
Oh. Okay. I don't want to. I don't want to. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3.
I have to pee. I have to pee.
Oh, I won't leave.
Oh man, that made me kind of gassy. Just a quick one.
Just go.
Alright, well, thank you for watching, if you're watching, our amazing video. I will begin making videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. Tuesday and Thursday are dedicated to dumb challenges. And then Fridays are going to be skits prepared by us, hopefully. So stick around, like, subscribe, let us know what's going on, and I will see you later, folks.
Bye.